Hello, welcome to Awesome Aircooled Adventures. With our channel, we strive to bring you variety. So part of the channel is going to be vegan recipes. I've been eating vegan for the last 2 or 3 years. I'm not going to lie, I do still take some cheat days and eat vegetarian or processed foods. But the majority of the time, I eat vegan, whole food, non-processed foods that I make myself. So I'm going to share with you some of my favorite recipes, tips and tricks on where to find ingredients, also to save you money, the places that they are the most inexpensive. And I hope you join us as I add more videos of my favorite vegan recipes in Marcie's Kitchen!